Hello, Boris. Thank you very much for your answer on the forum. I still have a problem, and I checked also your advice to switch on the draw surface on the polygon object. I checked it, and it was on. It doesn't really make any difference. I think I just, because I was trying the whole day, was troubleshooting the whole day, I've just showed a wrong screenshot when it wasn't when it was unchecked. But nevertheless, I just started up again and I just want to show you on a video how this strange behavior or what the reason, or no, not actually the reason, but I can reproduce this strange behavior. Maybe it will help to troubleshoot for you, or maybe I'm doing something wrong, I don't know. But this is the airport I showed you in the screenshot. And as you see here, for example, here is just a normal custom, this is a custom material here. This one here is a big polygon with a standard Asobo texture. I think it's the dirt texture. Here on this side I have some polygons for the vegetation to get rid of it, so I can put some 3D trees. At the moment they are placeholder trees. There will be other ones later on. But it doesn't really matter at the moment. And here also there's a big polygon with this texture here. I think it's a concrete texture, so no grass and anything is rendered here because it's another material, of course. So this way here, this walkway here, also a bit clear of grass. Now the interesting thing is when I load up this airfield just normally, it's now at the moment it's just started from the Commuity folder, so this is a built package I've built already today and so on when I was testing. And everything looks normal. But the interesting thing is when I activate the dev mode, then these textures and polygons, which I was talking on the forum about, they seem to lose their functionality. For example, they don't show any materials anymore, they don't show any effect, or they do not affect the vegetation or anything. The only thing I saw was working was a terraforming and something else. I don't remember, but I can show you. Just let me place the camera so you can have a better look maybe at what is happening. You will see now when I switch on the developer mode, these polygons will not disappear, but as I said, they will lose the material and their functionality. For example, if you look on this side or also here on this lower corner, when I now switch to on, it just disappears, goes back to default. And I haven't loaded any. I didn't open the project yet, so I just wanted to show that it's how it behaves. And as you see, the textures, the texture here, the material is gone, but I know the polygon is still there. I will show you in a minute. And also here, of course, because there is no other material anymore, all the grass and bushes are sticking out of the 3D objects now because they are rendered. And as you remember, there were just four or five trees somewhere here, 3D. They are still there, of course, but they are also cluttered full with autogen trees. And also here my custom texture for the apron is gone, the custom material. Also here we have more trees than before, and here as well, but this is not that important. But also here this apron texture, or this dirt texture which was there, is also gone. I will I will open the project now so you can just see everything. I have all the settings on my second screen, but I can show it to you anyway also. So I open the scenery BGL, load it in. Also interesting behavior when I load the custom materials at the beginning there, it shows me that the materials aren't there, but they are there. Let's have a look if it happens again. Yeah, as you see, it turned red now, but when I hover above it, then it somehow loads them. And also when I look at the material here in the preview, you see the custom materials is loaded. It's the right package. So the asset is also the correct one. Textures are now showing again, so they are definitely there. And well, these errors are made by the airplane. It doesn't have anything to do with the scenery, with the airport. But now I switch to the other screen again. As you see, I've now opened the project, and it is still still no textures. I can open the apron object, as you see, and as I showed you already, as I said already, it was or it is switched on here. Draw surface is switched on, and just no parameters and everything, but it still doesn't show anything. I also tried different priorities just to maybe it was showing something underneath, but it's still, as you see, is nothing really there. I can also show you this polygon here. Let me have a look if I can grab it. This one here, exactly. Yeah, that's the one where you saw the texture, the dirt texture, and if we look here, it's nothing really. Yeah, I mean the settings are just normal, and but it doesn't show any how should I say, any material, but it's set to the cement material. Yeah, not dirt, the cement. And also these vegetation things here, I've turned everything down, like the density and the scale, so there are no trees and anything, but it's still there. And I can actually just for demonstration, I will create a new polygon and just show you how it behaves, because it's really strange a bit. So just go to the polygon. There you go, polygon. Add. Now I switch to the other screen, and just for example, just nothing really interesting, just a small polygon, and I will put vegetation on this one. So vegetation, and just put in scale, full density and everything, and blah, just a tiny, no, not even without fall off, so it's just really big dense polygon. Now when I switch back to the screen, you see there's no effect, there's no trees, nothing. I thought maybe the polygon is just too small, so just let it make it bigger, but as you see, it is still still no effect there, nothing. So even if I now click here on save scenery just to try it out, and I build it all, so everything goes hopefully through. See, no errors, everything is done. Just yeah, to the polygon was the new one. The rest is, as I said, is from the from the airplane, the arrows. And I will now fast forward, or I can show you actually the package. So this is the Commuity folder, of course. I will now delete the old one and just let's check. Yeah, this is the new one, the actual time. So I will copy this one. We see it's the actual one. And I will now close the project. Yes, I've saved it, so everything's fine. Now I will leave the dev mode. And the interesting thing, you see, of course, it loaded now. I think it loads now the old version of the airport of the package, because I haven't restarted the flight sim. But the interesting thing, you see, I've just exited the dev mode, and everything is back again. All the textures and everything. And I would like now to try out, and I will fast forward the video, because we have put this polygon with the texture, with the trees in here, with the vegetation. Now it's not showing, of course, because as I said, it still loaded the old folder. But when I restart the sim with the new package, we will see if it has changed anything. And normally it should have trees in there, but as I said, when I am in the dev mode, all the polygons are gone, so I can't really see what I am creating. I will no, actually I will fast forward, and so you can see without any interruptions. Okay, restarted now, and as you see, the dev mode is still off. I will load the airport again. Now you know it is the actual well, the fresh package which we have, or I've just copied in, as you have seen before. And now when I open it, it should look everything normally, and I think also this polygon with the vegetation should be there. But I'm sure when I then activate the dev mode again, everything will disappear again. Well, not everything, but yeah, I see already there are the trees. Let's change, switch to the camera, the drone cam, and yeah, as you see, the polygon I have, you just saw me putting in, it works now. The moment it is rendering everything like it should be, the vegetation. But as I said, I think when I now switch on the dev mode, all these textures at the aprons in front of the hangars, and also this vegetation polygon will disappear. And yeah, unfortunately it does this now. I don't know what kind of strange behavior it is, but the problem is that you when you're working, you don't really see what you are creating until you have like saved the project, build the package, then reload everything, and just for small changes it takes a lot of time. I will just open the project again just for testing, and let me switch on the console. And yeah, as I said, all these entries are okay. That's the UI and the airplane, so nothing would has really to do with the scenery. So now I load it in. So this looks normal. Then I load the custom materials again. Now they are showing red again. I don't know what this kind of behavior it is. It wasn't there before as well. At the moment now they look okay. Console shows no relevant errors regarding the scenery. But when I switch to the main monitor, I see that nothing is there anymore, and you see this big polygon which I just made before doesn't generate anything. No trees, nothing, and so on. And also these this big airport polygon to get rid of these trees here, and also these trees here between the two grass runways do not do anything as well. So I have absolutely no idea what is going on and how it works. The only thing I know, when I close the project again, I didn't change anything, so you saw it, so I don't need to save or do anything. So when I close the project, and now when I exit the dev mode, everything turns back to normal again. No idea why. See, textures, materials are there, aprons are there, the trees, the auto-generated again are there, the other ones are removed, and also the ones you have seen here at this big field here is gone. This building there, well, it shouldn't be there, that's okay. And these between the runways are also gone. How it's supposed to be, I would say. Yeah, but this error or whatever just doesn't make sense at all to me. I don't know. Maybe it will help you for troubleshooting or anything. I don't know. Yeah, I'm sorry that the video is got quite long, but I didn't really know how to explain it best and just show it yeah, in moving pictures. So thanks again for your effort, and I hope you maybe will have an answer to this one. Maybe I'm doing something wrong or anything. Maybe I have to reinstall Flight Simulator again. I don't know. So thank you again, Boris, and yeah, bye bye.